As a Boeing employee, if I take my pension out, am I going to have tax consequences if I choose the lump sum option? This is the question that I get asked all the time. There is something about the word lump sum that a lot of people think if I take the lump sum, that means I'm going to be taxed all at once. That is not the case. You can actually roll over your pension into an IRA, which means pre-tax dollars to pre-tax dollars. That way you do not have to pay taxes until you start taking money out. So a lot of times, especially nowadays with the whole situation with Boeing that's happening, some people are giving some packages to leave early and some people actually have been laid off. So they are thinking, okay, I was close to retirement anyway. I'm thinking of just taking my pension out and rolling it over. So these are the times that you can take a look and not be worried that it doesn't mean you have to pay taxes, but you have to really look at your situation and see what's the best. Is it better to roll it out now while you're still looking to get a job somewhere else? Or do you want to wait and let it grow and take it out later, depending on, again, what program you're on and how much of a difference it makes depending on your age. It really is dependent on your situation, but to answer the first question, there are no tax consequences when you roll it over into an IRA. It will only be tax consequences if you cash it out. So be very careful if you are rolling it over that you are doing the right paperwork. These are the mistakes we have seen happen a lot, and it's crazy how one little thing missed on those pension paperwork can really cause an issue. We've been doing pension paperwork with our Boeing clients for a very, very long time. So if that's something you're interested to look at and you want us to help you with the paperwork, do not hesitate to give us a call and we can see what option is the best for you and then make sure that you're doing the right paperwork to accomplish your goal.